What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. I want to start off by saying I hope you're all doing great. I hope you're all having a great start of the week at least. And welcome back to another update on Luna Classic. Still doing these almost daily. I mean, I skipped like 2 or 3 days the last 2.5 months. So I didn't skip that much, but today I wanted to do an update. I wanted to really zoom into the technicals. That there's not a lot of fundamentals going on around Luna Classic. We will take a look at the burn tax, of course, and we will also talk about the potentially fundamental things that could happen for Luna Classic. But mostly we'll talk about the price because today is a pretty bearish day throughout the crypto markets. You can see this is the top 100. Only a few cryptos are bullish, like VeChain, which is very strong, Chainlink, which is very strong, but other ones are just dropping and dropping. Because of the feud between Binance and FTX, I think. So if you want to know what's happening there, I won't cover that in every video. So you have to check either the Bitcoin or Ethereum analysis before this. I explain it in depth what's happening there, but it's pretty bad. So Luna Classic, even though usually it's not that correlated with the big cryptos, it is dropping down now, and you can see that we're following this trajectory we talked about yesterday. Yesterday I thought we would drop down to this level between 22,000 and 21,500. That's happening right now, and I thought we could hold that. I still think we can hold that, but because of the bearish fundamentals, I am also I take into account, excuse me, I cannot talk this morning, that we can also continue this drop. All right, right now it's just it's very correlated. So if Bitcoin really drops down under 20,700, for example, Luna Classic is going to drop down to this 20,000 level without any doubt, right? So it's that's still the correlation is very real right now. Personally, I think we will hold this. I don't think we'll get up. I mean, unless the market gets some sort of a huge surge in price, I think we'll do something like this and then drop down to 20,000 and 18,000. And somewhere in this level, between 20,000 and 18,000, I think, also depending on the market circumstances, of course, but I think somewhere in that level, the support is actually strong enough to get some sort of a rally like we did right here. Not this big, because here we also had news together with it. But that 20,000, 18,000 level, purely technically, is a very strong support level. So I do think we can expect some more bullish momentum from there. Not necessarily a rally, but we could definitely spike. So then if we take a look at the burn tax, it has probably gone up a little bit more. Yeah, it's all right at 50 million. We're not burning a lot of Luna Classic now. Well, that's just the way it is. Oh, excuse me. Wow. So yeah, that's the way it is. Obviously, we're not getting. We didn't have that Binance burn yesterday. So right now, I mean, not a lot is being burned. So obviously, is there still potential to get some sort of a rally? Because the Luna Classic community is still very strong. So in that in that department, it could definitely still happen. But obviously, we need strong fundamentals for that. So there's basically two things that could help us in getting a more bullish Luna Classic, which I try to talk about quite a lot because I think it's important to know. One thing obviously is a big listing, like on Coinbase. If that happens, we would probably just simply spike up and then slowly start dropping back down, because listings, I mean, they're great for short-term price movements, but long-term they do not matter that much. And apart from that, it's really good if you're a Luna Classic holder to always check out the new proposals. All right, because we probably, if we want a new rally to get up to 30,000 and 35,000 again, what you need is a good proposal, probably with some sort of a burn incorporated in that. So if that all happens, we can actually start going up. But until then, we will probably keep the bearish momentum and keep dropping down slowly to levels lower and lower. But in the journey, I will keep covering it, and if there's any hope for some sort of a rally or a spike, I will definitely be the first to tell you. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. I want to wish you all a great day, and take care. Bye.